Just come up with a kneel and flip ships or boats. The state of that. And name that fungus. Problem with this area is it's all quite hilly, and I've been looking on maps trying to find a flat area to fly in. It's nigh impossible. It's very quiet up here today, apart from the sirens, if you can hear them. Right, back in a minute. It's not bad at that. Do tend, I think, it's just naturally wary of not crashing it, but the size of it compared to the Neo. Oh, that was hard. Oh. That took the battery out. It was clipped in. Oh, it's landing on the sensors. Landing on the back of there. So it's done a bounce. No visible cracks. Gimbal moves. Right. Battery back in. And it comes alive. It is connected, I see. Excuse me. Just get that gimbal moves right. One of the buttons on the bottom and move the gimbal with it. Yeah, that seems alright. Stable. Oh, let me think. I've killed it. No, I haven't. I don't like the buttons on this controller. They're way too sensitive. Way too sensitive. You know, I don't want to just have a light touch on them. I want to be able to push them. But it doesn't just push. It's like you brush them with your finger and it goes off. No. 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 Something not right. Cancel that. Oh, there's a broken blade. Yeah. Right, got a broken blade. I've got spares with me. Find somewhere I can yeah, broken blade. That one there. Didn't even see it. I don't know if you can see it. Right, over by big tree here. In fact, 2 blades broken. Don't seem to be any other damage. Oh well. That's why I went mental. I should have gone out into the field and done that. Right, a little bit of fun there with that. 2 front props broken. I've got spare props with me, so I'll put them on, but also it's probably difficult to see. There's 2 spokes missing off there, and there's 1 off there. I've found 2. It took a bump there. The front edge of that side of the sensor was hit, and also had a bump on the back. Oh no! Go away! Can I disable that button, please? I hate that button. And then also there it landed, but None of the, it all folds up perfectly
Manual
well.
mode.
No, I don't like that button. It's in the wrong place. Another one. Why can't they put it on the top like they did with the Neo? I'm going to walk out into the field a bit. Right. Take off. Anything happens, I'm just going to...
Home point updated.
It's flying stably now. No noises. That's in cine mode. No horrible noises. Rotates alright. Gimbal. Okay, that way. Put in sport mode actually. In sport mode it'll move up and down, so that works alright. I think this will be the last flight for it today anyway.